How to keep your Microsoft Teams status active even when you are away from the computer. Hi guys, welcome back. If you guys are wanting to do that, you may follow up the simple steps. So for that, you need to head over to Microsoft Teams. You can go ahead and access the website version or the application. And the thing you need to do is, in order to do so, you may just go ahead and create up an instant meeting link. So for that, look out for the meet option from your left hand side, look it up, create meeting link, and go ahead and create up a meeting at the moment. Just go ahead and do so. And you can just go ahead and join up your meeting that you created. And it will ask you permissions. So what you need to do is, let me just go ahead and mute myself for now. So what you may do is look out for this join now option, go ahead and join it up, and you will be finding your meeting here. So the thing you need to do is when you do so, you will be finding your status being online in a call option. So if you would like to keep your Microsoft Teams status active even when you're away from the computer, you need to head over to your profile at the top and look out for this inner call option, click on it. And once you click on it, it will give you bunch of options. Look out for this option of available, click on it, turn it on, and that will set your status online 24/7, even when you are away from your computer. So you may leave the call once this is done, and you should be finding your status online, even though you have already left the call. So that is that you may follow this method in order to keep your Microsoft Teams status active. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.